RTX 5060 Ti and 5060 price, specs and release date, what you need to know. Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding Nvidia's upcoming mid-range graphics cards, the RTX 5060 Ti and RTX 5060. When are they hitting the shelves? Let's explore the latest rumors and leaks. Recently, a leaked slide from Taiwanese manufacturer suggests that Nvidia plans to launch the RTX 5060 Ti and RTX 5060 in March 2025. This information was reported by Tech PowerUp, indicating that these GPUs will follow the release of the RTX 5070 Ti and RTX 5070. While official specifications are still under wraps, rumors point to both the RTX 5060 and 5060 Ti featuring the GB2 6 GPU, paired with either 8 or 16 GB of GDDR7 memory on a 128-bit bus. However, there's concern that 8 GB of VRAM might not suffice for a smooth ray tracing experience in 2025. Pricing remains speculative, but some sources suggest that the RTX 5060 could be priced between $300 and $400, while the RTX 5060 Ti might come in at around $500. Nvidia's pricing strategy will likely depend on how these cards stack up against AMD's upcoming RDNA 4 series, which is also expected to debut in March. As always, it's essential to take these rumors with a grain of salt until Nvidia makes an official announcement. We'll keep you updated with the latest developments as they unfold. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay informed about all things tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.